try not to shine it in your face. I'm gonna open a coconut with the flashlight on the bill of my hat. What's a flashlight review without a tracker and a coconut? Gotta be a little extra careful in the dark. Ah, oh yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Whew. Yes. Coconut. Aloha everybody, Gabe here from the Hawaii Institute of Self-Reliance, His Survival. Welcome back. Mahalo for watching. That was too fast. Aloha everybody, Gabe here from the Hawaii Institute of Self-Reliance, His Survival. Welcome back. Mahalo for watching. Whew. Okay. Aloha everybody, Gabe here from the Hawaii Institute. Aloha everybody, Gabe here from the Hawaii Institute of Self-Reliance, His Survival. Welcome back. Mahalo for watching. As you can tell by the title, this is going to be a flashlight review. Woohoo! Yeah, it's in the jungle, so it makes it a little bit more exciting. The Thrunite T-10 flashlight. This one is in cold white. Stick around and check out if it's jungle approved. Hey, you're still there. Hey, cool. You got a little mosquito on you. Oh, okay, cool. Hey, all the stats and everything will be in the description box. I don't want to like sit here and bore you with it. It's just technical stuff, but it's like a 250 lumen flashlight for a AA battery. That's pretty good. And the adjustable belt or pocket clip is awesome. You can take it off. It's a little tough, but there you go. And you can put it here, right? So if you want to put it on your hat, so check this out. Put it on your hat. Now I got a flashlight on my hat. Pretty cool, huh? Give you a close-up of this flashlight. You get a diffuser, an extra O-ring, and the flashlight, and a pocket clip that's reversible, and there's different positions you can put that pocket clip in. That's really awesome. And of course the 10 is useful for survival kit and stuff like that, fishing kit or a small medical kit or whatever. That's very useful. Don't throw that away. And you get an owner's manual and a thank you card. Here's the diffuser. Stays on the flashlight pretty good. Works. Okay, we're going to show you how bright this is. This is on max. And this hibiscus right here to the top, see that white flower up there? I would say that is probably about 15 feet, maybe a little bit more, but roughly around there. Smells like night blooming jasmine, which is right here. That one's the one that's blooming. Got some pig activity over here. Should probably set up a snare right here. But that's the night blooming jasmine. See the flowers? Smells so good. This is another hibiscus. Yes, lots of pig activity. It's starting to rain, so I'm going in. Damn it. I don't mean to turn the flashlight off, I mean to turn the GoPro off. Turn the GoPro off, not the flashlight, you idiot. Am I filming upside down? Is the T-10 Thrunite flashlight jungle approved? I would say so. It definitely works. And in the jungle, you need a good flashlight. It's dark. And in Hawaii, it's really dark. Okay, now, I will provide a link to where you can go buy this flashlight for $20. If you're a Prime member, it's free shipping and handling. So, flashlight reviews. Okay. In Hawaii, everybody uses a flashlight a lot. There's not a lot of street lights, and the ones that we do have are dimmed for the telescopes on the mountain. They don't want to interfere with the light interference. So we have light discipline in Hawaii. So now, would I approve? Yes. And I will provide a link to where you can buy this off of Amazon. It helps support the channel. You can remove the clip. You can put it on your hat. You can put it in your pocket. It's small enough to just be perfect, but punches awesome, right? I mean, 250 lumens for this? Yeah, that's pretty cool. And I'm not a huge fan of super bright flashlights, but this lasts like an hour and a half on, and I'll, like I said, I'll provide all the specs in the description box, but it's like an hour and a half on maximum, and that's pretty good, right? But you don't want to run it for like 10 minutes at a time, really. I mean, these EDC small little flashlights with the LED, they get hot, you know. They get really hot, so you know you don't want to like run it for hours. It says hour and a half, but you don't, I never do, right? I'm not gonna sit here and turn on my flashlight, and I guess I should for a review. That just seems boring. Oh, just like watching it. It's like watching puddles gather rain. It's like, I mean, actually, I think watching puddles gather rain is more fun than watching a flashlight on. It just blinds you. That's all it does. Okay, I gotta wrap this thing up. Okay, I approve of it. So for $20, great EDC. I know it's made in China, but Thrunite's tough, and all the other YouTubers, they recommend this, and it's just a tough flashlight. I like it. Jungle approved. And I hope you like this video. I hope you comment. I'm here for any comments, any questions, and I hope you just have a nice day and enjoy and this beautiful, awesome weather. It's raining and it's gonna get dark, and I'm gonna use my flashlight to be safe. You gotta be safe. This is a piece of safety EDC. Okay. So I hope you I hope you subscribe. I hope you like this content. Make sure you hit the bell symbol to get notifications for when I upload a video. You can watch it and tell me what you think. And until next time, hello. Yeah! Oh, yeah! Flashlight reviews. Ah, Jesus. Wow. That wasn't even on bright. That wasn't even on bright. I just shot myself in the face.